We like to support all of the Workboat Association events, and this one was particularly interesting as it's part of the decarbonisation approach that we're all trying to take in the workboat industry, and the hydrogen technology that Bartech are distributing now was of particular interest.
I came here today to meet the guys at Bartech, get a bit of a better understanding of what they can offer, and we have a number of issues coming up with the new workboat code. So the Workboat Association has hosted us for a good talk around the table with the other operators.
Most valuable takeaway, seeing that Bartech can offer hybrid retrofit solution, and also the hydrogen injection system is of interest.
Really good exchange of ideas. There was a group of about 20 people in the room earlier, and it was great to have a physical, everybody here physically rather than just online, and some really lively debate about different things, whether it was the discussion about hydrogen or the new Workboat 3. Good to talk it through with other people in the industry.
I think the most valuable part of the event was the shop floor tour, getting to speak to the technicians, look at some engines and have a Q&A session. Time with Owen at Mikal to discuss some of the points raised from Workboat 3 was also valuable. Definitely come along to the next event. It's great to meet other operators and managers, to have time to chat to them, and yeah, definitely come along. And if it's at Bartech, obviously great guys, and they're a great help operationally to keep on top of everything.
Well, it was a great association here between the Workboat Association and Bartech to actually get a trade organisation working with an engineering company to host an event like this, because you've got hands-on experience instead of us just sitting around in a hotel conference room discussing things. It was great to actually get hands-on, look at some engines, look at some problems that are being solved by Bartech, some new technology. So it was a lovely mixture of old and new, and yeah, hopefully if either Bartech or the Workboat Association either can host another event that's similar, I'd definitely be interested in attending.